Liam had hit rock bottom. No matter how hard he worked, overtime shifts, freelance gigs, relentless networking, he couldn't seem to get ahead. Bills piled up, and his dreams of a stable, fulfilling life felt like a distant fantasy. One rainy afternoon, a stranger approached him at the coffee shop. The man, older but sharp-eyed, placed a small leather-bound book on Liam's table. "You're chasing wealth the wrong way." Liam blinked. "Excuse me?" The man smiled. "You're chasing when you should be attracting. This book, it'll show you how to align with abundance." Before Liam could respond, the man was gone, leaving the book behind. On the cover, embossed in gold, were the words, "The Wealth Compass." As he read, Liam felt a strange calm wash over him. The first lesson was clear. Your thoughts create your reality. Focus on lack and you'll always feel poor. Focus on abundance and you'll find the universe delivers. The words struck a nerve. He realized how often he thought, "There's never enough," or "I can't afford this." That night, he made a decision. He would reframe his thoughts. Instead of dwelling on what he lacked, he'd imagine his life as if it were already filled with abundance. The next chapter challenged him to act as if he were already wealthy, not by spending recklessly, but by making decisions aligned with abundance. What would a wealthy person do? Liam began investing in small things that mattered: healthy food, professional clothing, tools to improve his skills. Instead of hoarding every dollar, he began to trust that there was always more to come. One chapter revealed a truth that felt counterintuitive. The more you chase wealth, the more it eludes you. Stop chasing, start attracting. It likened money to a skittish cat. Chasing it only makes it run. Instead, the book urged him to focus on doing what he loved, creating value, and trusting that money would follow. For the first time in years, Liam gave himself permission to slow down. He took up painting again, a hobby he had abandoned in his quest for financial success. The book's next lesson was simple but profound. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. Liam began a nightly ritual of listing 3 things he was thankful for, no matter how small: a smile from a stranger, a productive meeting, a beautiful sunset. Slowly, he noticed a shift. The more he focused on what he had, the more opportunities seemed to appear. The final chapter tested him. Patience is the ultimate act of faith. Trust that wealth is on its way, even if it doesn't arrive when you expect it. It was the hardest lesson yet. Liam wanted immediate results, but instead he chose to trust. He focused on living in the present, doing what brought him joy, and trusting that the seeds he'd planted would bear fruit. Weeks later, an opportunity appeared out of nowhere. A former colleague offered him a consulting gig that perfectly matched his skills. The pay was better than anything he'd imagined, and it allowed him the freedom to work on his art. But the twist wasn't just the money. It was the realization that the journey had changed him. Liam wasn't chasing wealth anymore, he was living it. The true treasure wasn't the job offer, it was the peace, gratitude, and clarity he had gained along the way. As Liam reflected, he understood why the stranger had chosen him. That wealth compass wasn't just about attracting money. It was about aligning with a life of purpose, joy, and freedom. He smiled as he told his students, "Wealth isn't about grinding harder or chasing success. It's about shifting your mindset, trusting the process, and letting abundance flow." And trust me, it works.